We've had AI in engineering, and if I take a step back for a second, what does that mean? What do we mean AI in engineering? For me, that just means, do we have a predictive model, right? And so how we predict the future as engineers, how we predict what a new design might do, how it might perform. There's various technologies, right? So AI is just the latest sort of algorithm sets, data sets, and approach for predicting the future for any design. And so we've had the ability to take a bunch of information, test data, simulation data, put it together, interpolate some solution, and say, hey, this is an optimized solution. So today, what I see in AI is, hey, I've got this historical data, right? I've got this, generational sort of prior designs and how well they've done, reliability, performance, et cetera. And I want to come up with the latest design, new materials, new, manufacturing processes, whatever. How is it going to perform? I mean, that's like the engineer's dream. That's what we're trying to do here. And so, the latest AI tools facilitate that. The million-dollar question is how, right? How do they do that? That's a little bit of a longer answer.